Hi, I'm Charlotte. I work in the Chemical Engineering Department at the University of Nottingham. We are looking at making plastic. So normally plastic is made from oil. It's a fossil fuel, which is bad. We need to look at, if we're going to keep using plastics, making them different ways. So in our lab, we are looking to make them with bacteria. So in here, we have got some bacteria, and we're feeding them lots of lovely food, and they're making a chemical which we can then turn into plastic. So that's a renewable plastic. It comes from a sugar source. I'm sure you also like to eat a lot of sugar, and so do our bacteria. So here they're making plastic for us. There's other ways of getting plastic from renewable sources, so plants is another way, and we're actually going to show you a way of doing that in your very own home out of our lab. So we'll see you in the kitchen.
Hi, my name is Carolina, and Charlotte and I are part of the Sustainable Process Technologies Group, the SPT Group. For this experiment, you'll need corn flour, water, vegetable oil, and food coloring. This last one is optional. I'll see you in the kitchen. Start with some corn flour, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of corn flour. We will now add 6 spoons of water. And then to finalize, you will just add half a tablespoon of oil and you mix it again. I will also give some color to my plastic. Okay, and now I'm gonna warm up this mixture in the microwave. I will choose medium power or heat, and I'm gonna first start with 1 minute, but I'll give it a swirl every 30 seconds. Okay, so first mix, I'm doing it in a microwave, but of course you can do it using a pan or a hob, whatever you have at home to make it easier. You basically have to bring this to a boil, so if you have any adults present, maybe ask them for some help. So look at this, we are almost done with our plastic, and then you can use some foil if you don't want to get anything dirty. And the last thing you have to do, and be careful because this can be hot, is kneading your plastic. Okay, so we can then mold this after kneading into a, I'm gonna choose an easy shape. I'm gonna make a heart. Okay, this is the best I could do. You can choose whatever shape you want, mold it, and if you want to share your projects, please do it so. And now we're gonna just leave this for 2 days and it will be rock solid, and you have a bioplastic made just by you. Well done.